Let me show you how to connect Facebook pages to InsightfulPipe and use the InsightfulPipe CLI alongside Claude Code to generate a full-page performance report, all from the terminal. First, go to the InsightfulPipe connectors. Click Add Connection. Choose Facebook pages from the available connectors. Set the permission and click Connect. You'll be redirected to Facebook's login screen. Choose the account that manages your Facebook pages and grant access. Select the Facebook pages you want to connect, then click Connect. The connection is saved. Now navigate to the CLI setup guide in the sidebar to get started. Back in the terminal, run the npm install command to install the InsightfulPipe CLI globally on your machine. Now, authenticate the CLI by running InsightfulPipe auth. You'll be prompted to enter your API token. Back in InsightfulPipe, go to Settings, then API Keys, give it a name, and click Create. Your API key is generated. Copy it. Paste your API key into the terminal. The CLI confirms authentication was successful. To ensure the API key is stored, you can also export the token by running export InsightfulPipe token and paste your token. Run InsightfulPipe Doctor to verify your setup. Everything is successful. The CLI is fully configured. Now let's launch Claude Code. Ask Claude to use the InsightfulPipe CLI and produce a full Facebook pages performance report, covering followers, reach, impressions, engagement, and top posts. Claude starts processing the request. It loads the InsightfulPipe tools and begins querying your account context to understand what data is available. The report is ready. It starts with a page overview, total followers, reach, impressions, post engagement, and page views. The report breaks down your top posts, showing which content is driving the most reach, reactions, comments, and shares. Then it looks at post types, video, image, link, and text, so you can see what format your audience responds to best. Claude highlights what's working, top posts, best performing formats, and the content themes driving real engagement. It calls out what's underperforming, weak formats, and low engagement content that's missing your audience. And it ends with a clear action plan. Post more of what works, rework what doesn't, and double down on your best formats. That's InsightfulPipe with the CLI and Claude Code.